Join and walk with me as we explore the Jinli Ancient Street in Chengdu by foot and finish our walking tour at the Opera House for Hotpot and traditional Sichuan Opera. Welcome to Jinli Ancient Street, Chengdu's vibrant living heritage stretching about 500 meters. This pedestrian corridor evokes over 1,800 years of history dating back to the Three Kingdom era. It was restored in 2004. Jinli blends traditional Qing Dynasty architecture with lively contemporary culture. As evening falls, rows of red lanterns illuminate the alley, transporting you to a bygone era. Known as a food paradise, Jinli offers an incredible array of Sichuan snacks like this one. Fresh green juice with kiwi and chia seeds is good for you. Dandan noodles and candied fruits, tofu, nuggets, and more. In the heart of Jinli stands a wooden stage where Sichuan Opera unfolds, especially the rapid face-changing act. Many tea houses also offer these performances, free with your order. Artisans line the streets showcasing sugar painting, show embroidery, paper cutting, and shadow puppetry, a hands-on window into Sichuan folk tradition. Throughout the year, Jinli celebrates with theme of events, from Lantern Festival, snack festivals, and Mid-Autumn for moon gathering. Located right next to Wuhu Shrine, a visit to Jinli pairs perfectly with this historical site. Best time to visit late afternoon into evening, when lanterns glow, but a quiet morning stroll between 9 a.m. and 11 a.m. offers peaceful charm. Jinli Ancient Street is more than just a destination. It's a sensory journey through time, taste, and tradition. Thanks for joining this walk through Chengdu's storied alleys. Damiao Hotpot, Jinli Chengdu, antique decor, dual broad delight, taste, tradition, and opera vibes. Welcome to the Damiao Hotpot, a refined hotpot gym nestled within the charming lanes of Jinli Street in Chengdu. This spot feels like stepping into a bygone era with its unique decor. The visitors can choose from the classic spicy broth, a mild clear broth, or a popular yin-yang dual flavor pack, ideal for both heat and spicy lover visitors. Freshness is the key here. Thinly sliced meats, crispy vegetables, tofu, mushrooms, and signature dipping sauces. A wide variety of meats, fish, and veggies cooked at your own hot pot table. You feel like a local. Hotpot here isn't just a meal, it's a social theater. Pass the chopsticks, share stories, taste the heat, and bond over bubbling broth. If you're enjoying this video, like, subscribe, and come along for the ride. Check out the video of the most iconic animal in the world, the giant panda, in the playlist below, Exploring China, One City at a Time 2025 series for more of China. This is Sichuan Opera, originated over 300 years ago. It's a folklore, martial arts, comedy, and illusion. The show begins with elegance, graceful hand movements, and symbolic dance that speak in the silent language of Chinese opera. It's about the rhythm, gesture, and storytelling tradition where music punctuates every twist and turn. From the music to the mask, the experience left me speechless and oddly smiling. If you ever find yourself in Chengdu, don't just watch the show, feel it. Until next time, thank you for watching. If you're planning your trip to Chengdu, save this video, share it with your travel crew, and follow for more. Thank you for watching.